here we go. Whoa! I'm kind of scared now. Yeah, I'm still recording. No. Are we sure that this is smart with our rattle rods? We're about to die. No. Got Aunt Susie, Lewis, me. Don't know where the boys are, but we're gonna find them, hopefully. Alright, let's move. I didn't even have to go swimming to get wet today. What? Yeah, I know. Are we stopping here? Where are we going? There's Joey. We're gonna die. There's Joey. There's Anthony climbing the tree like a freaking idiot. There's Jamie.